It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming. In case many of you are wondering, why does this channel have boxing gloves? Well, let me tell you, the gloves are on. Every day is a fight, and right here we're fighting for our financial freedom. We're gonna get right into it. We're not gonna waste anybody's time with a useless 12-minute video. We're getting right to it. The marijuana sector is smoking hot right now. It is on fire, as many of you are seeing what has happened with Tilray and another stock, SNDL, which is starting to heat up. Here are two stocks that I have for you today. The first stock is the Marijuana Company of America. The ticker symbol for that, MCOA. So here's the first bit of news. Mcoa, an emerging company and leader offering unique exposure to the global cannabis sector, today announces that it has completed the payoff of its main financer, who has now settled its convertible note position in full and will no longer be dilutive to the share structure of Mcoa. Make note that this is from January 28th. It is news that is not too old, and considering what is happening with all of the other marijuana stocks, this one looks to be a buy. Right now, the stock is at an unbelievably low 2 cents. I'm not saying that this stock is going to take off to levels of Tilray and maybe even SNDL, but please do not mistake it. There is definitely room to run up, and there is room for potential. Massive potential at 2 cents. This could definitely go up. As soon as Tilray gets higher and higher and people aren't going to want to invest in that, they're going to want to get into lower cap stocks. Stocks that people can afford. This is definitely one of those. Easily you can load up a few bags of this. The next stock that we have is Medical Marijuana Inc., ticker symbol MJNA. Is this a buy? This one has massive potential. Medical Marijuana Inc. has a bullish sentiment reading. Find out what this means for you and you get the rest of the rankings on MJNA. What is stock sentiment? In investing, sentiment generally means whether or not a given security is in favor with investors. It is typically a pretty short-term metric that relies entirely on technical analysis. That means it doesn't incorporate anything to do with the health or profitability of the underlying company. In other words, this is great news for MJNA. Let's think about this for a second. This stock was 4 cents on February 4th. You could go back, look, and do the research. 4 cents on February 4th. Now, another thing. This stock went up to 17 cents yesterday. The pop on this stock was 69%. A 69% gain in one day. What do you think is going to happen when more and more people take a look at MJNA? More people are going to flock into this, and yes, the price will rise. More than likely, it's going up. Those are my two stock picks for the day. I'm not saying that this is going to blow up in one day, but over time you may want to accumulate these and see that these have much room to grow. There's definitely a lot of room to grow on these. Now, in case many of you are wondering, why am I not showing my face on these videos? Well, guess what I have to say? Wealth over fame. Let's repeat that again, my people. Wealth over fame. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.